Orange barrel season, it is right around the corner, and one local city is using AI to come up with a game plan. Street Scan, it's a tool being used in Elyria, and it goes street by street, gathering data on things like deformities, cracks, and potholes. That data is then analyzed using artificial intelligence to give each road a score. Pavement Management Group and an Ohio-based company developed the tech.
Once we've got all of that into from the artificial intelligence platform, we're then able to score each roadway segment. And that score is on a scale of 0 to 100, with 0 considered to be failed or poor, with 100 considered to be excellent.
Ward 2 received a score of 66, the third lowest of all 7 wards. Chris Pianowski, the safety service director for the city, says the data will help in this year's street paving selection process, saying in part, quote, "We believe that adding street scanning to our process will result in the city more efficiently identifying and prioritizing the streets to be repaved with the limited funds that we have each year." Now, those streets, they are selected by City Council with some input from Elyria's engineering department, street department, and city administration.